Here at Cunningham Cookies, we have all your favorite flavors. Valentine's Day. Pink. Chapstick. Eraser. Baby pacifier. Keychain balls. Pencil. Lozenges. Fish dinosaur figurine cookies. Doggy bead cookies. Money. Who's on the floor? Would you like a cookie for breakfast, Johnny?
Ew, I'm not hungry anymore.